Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to know about how we can activate our Venmo card. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First and foremost, we need to click on our Google Chrome app and go into its Google search engine. There we need to type in the Venmo URL, which is http://venmo.com. After we do so, we will end up in its Venmo user interface. Now, as we are into its user interface, all we need to do is click on the three lines which are on the top right hand side of the screen. After we click on it, we need to scroll down and we can see the login option. Now all you need to do is fill in your credentials, your email address. After you're done filling in your information, all you need to do is click in the sign in button. Once you're logged in, you'll find the menu button on the top left hand side of the screen. Now you need to search for the Venmo card option there. Once you find the Venmo card option, you have to click open it and scroll down to find the activate button, and you're all done. I hope this video was helpful to you all, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos again. Thank you for watching.